We're very glad to report, however, with a caveat that these are provisional numbers. The final numbers will be declared in a week to 10 days, but provisionally we're looking at a 10% increase in earnings over first quarter 25-26 versus first quarter 26-27. Last year, first quarter, it was about 4,000 crores odd. We have closed first quarter this year at 4,418 crores, which is an increase of roughly 401 crores, which is roughly about 10%. All three engines of BSNL, and this is purely income from services. So other income, other operating income is not included because I will be only looking at the core functioning of BSNL. On consumer fixed access, we're pretty much flat at about 950 crores compared to first quarter of last year. On the enterprise business, we have posted 116% increase, 19.2% increase over last year at close to about 1,700 crores. And similarly, in consumer mobility, we posted close to about 8.5% increase at about 1,680 to 1,700 crores over last year. Suffice to say that we are on the trajectory of growth. We have looked at our operational parameters, which includes BTS uptime, mean time to repair numbers, our OLT uptime, and we are charting the path forward on our network capability over the next 3 months. So it is reassuring numbers for BSNL, but we have still a lot of work ahead of us. Our capex is on as planned, and we look forward to even more encouraging results in Q2 of 26-27.
So how much is the capex planned? Any number that you can share?
So as I mentioned to you last time, we 2.5 years ago we started at operating profit of roughly 2,100 crores, which grew to 5,100 crores in 24-25. We closed 25-26 at 7,500 crores. We are looking at requirements for battery, for media, for other infrastructure. We also have an additional order of 22,000 more sites, 4G sites that need to be put in place. Some portion of that POA has also been issued. And so we have a healthy capex going forward as well.
Can you please justify the increase in ARPU growth, because ARPU has increased so much where the revenue growth is less compared to the...
No, it hasn't. So I want to correct you on that, and thank you for reminding me on ARPU. ARPU has grown from 100 rupees, which is where we closed at FY 2025-26. Q1 it has increased to about 102.7 rupees. As I mentioned to you, our revenue, so there's been a 3% growth in ARPU, but consumer mobility revenue has grown by 8%. Overall revenue has grown by 10%. So there is an increase, healthy increase in revenue numbers as well.
So 42% growth happened, I think, in Q4 when the release...
You cannot compare Q4.
No, I'm saying that...
So let me finish.
Revenue growth was less.
So I'm talking about Q1 results versus Q1 of last year, because that is a like-to-like comparison. There is a seasonality approach here as well. So I'm comparing like to like, and I set my targets based on that.